for someone who's just starting out,
Mhm.
don't go to the stock, don't go to the options or futures.
Mhm.
Start out in the cash segment, which is pure equity segment,
Mhm.
because that's where the risks and the upsides are capped.
Mhm.
So, taking the example of 1400,
Mhm.
the 1400 can become 1000, or it can go up to 1600 or 1700. But, and again, going back to the same point, you are after the learning.
Mhm.
You are after the learning as to what makes it go from 1400 to 800 or
Mhm.
1400 to 1600,
Yes.
and what are the associated things around it. Because एक बार आपने वो समझ लिया,
Mhm. Mhm.
देन आप 1400 के आप बाद एक और जीरो लगा दो, उसके बाद एक और जीरो लगा दो.
Mhm.
Uh, the fundamentals will not change. The basic play will not change. So it's like this: once you learn how to drive a car, you can drive a 20, 30, 40, 50, 120.
Yes. And any other
But
car, more or less.
and any, you can drive a Tata, you can drive a Hyundai, you can drive a Ford, you can drive whatever. But the key thing is to learning how to drive a car without being hit by somebody else from
Mhm.
the blind zone when you're overtaking somebody else at 100 kilometers per hour. So वो चीज समझने के लिए टाइम लगता है. And again, there are some things are learned the hard way. All of us have it. But there is another saying that wise people learn from experience of others.
Mhm.
So uh, there are umpteen number of videos
Mhm.
and content जहाँ से learning मिल सकती है, लेकिन beyond the point you have to take the jump.
Mhm.
Beyond the point you have to get your hands dirty and
Mhm.
trade,
Yeah.
because till the time you are not in the market, you are a bystander. Now,
Mhm.
by ban, but I'm not saying by not participating you're not participating. In fact, not taking a position is also a position in the market sometimes. uh, it's not कि मैं खरीद रहा हूँ या मैं बेच रहा हूँ या फिर मैं साइड में खड़ा हूँ. मैं साइड में खड़ा हूँ, वो भी एक पोजीशन होती है मार्केट में.
Yes.
बट दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम डेवलपिंग कोल्ड फीट, कि पोजीशन ले ही नहीं रहे हो, अब करें क्या?
Mhm. Mhm.
शुड आई
Mhm.
बाय, शुड आई सेल, करना क्या है?
It's
नो.
like for me, it's like watching Netflix and you want to become an actor. Doesn't matter how many videos you watch, how many movies you watch, how many shows you watch. You cannot become an actor just by watching it. You have to be on the set at least to actually watch those actors and then jump in front of the camera if opportunity is there. So,
Exactly. And that is where my first point in this call was that the cost of entry, the entry barrier is very less for this sort of a marketplace. So for becoming an actor, you need to know the producer, you need to know
yes,
the director, you should have
yes,
done acting.
yes, yes.
But to take a trade in a stock, all you need is an account with any brokerage, and then the entire marketplace you have access to.
Makes a lot of sense. So you are suggesting that, going back to the question, you're suggesting that equity, like these two options, going into equity, full cash thing, long term trading, या फिर trade like long term
Yeah.
investment or trading. These are
Yeah.
two
So
options.
yeah. So I did not touch upon the investment versus trading part.
Yes.
Uh, so cash segment is, keep that in mind. If you are starting out fresh, go only in the cash segment. Don't go anywhere else. Otherwise, you will burn a big hole in your pocket and you'll not even know what hit you. Point number two about investing versus trading. Uh, Now, if you're starting out new, it is better that you go with the investing approach, because being a trader takes a lot of energy and focus, which a lot of newbies tend to have in the early days, but then they tend to get greedy when they see the wild movements in the price for which they have no reason to
Yes.
tell why. Then they start taking bets which they are not aware of, or the risks involved. So again, we go back to the central idea of being able to learn from this whole process. uh, आप लर्निंग को सेंटर में रखें अपने होल प्रोसेस के, कि मैं इन्वेस्टिंग करूंगा, उससे लर्न करूंगा. एक बार आपकी इन्वेस्टिंग नॉलेज बढ़ जाए, and you can go to the websites where you can there are various ways in which you can filter stocks on various parameters. So what is return on capital employed, what is debt to equity ratio, what is the quick ratio, what is price to book value, ये सब चीजें पढ़ें. what is price to earnings ratio. ये सब पढ़ने के बाद आपको मालूम पड़ेगा आपने जो आज की डेट में 1400 का स्टॉक लिया है वो एक्सपेंसिव था कि सस्ता था, as per your requirement. And then you will go about. Everybody does both. I would say everybody who's in the market does a bit of both. थोड़ी सी investing करते हैं, थोड़ी सी trading करते हैं. I'm talking about the retail traders, not the fund houses, because the mutual funds by definition cannot do trading. They can only invest. उसका भी चल रहा है, उसके भी reforms चल रहे हैं market में, wherein hybrid funds and alternative investment funds are coming in. But as a retail investor, as a single person who is coming in the market, who's completely new, who does not know करना क्या है और करूँ तो क्या करूँ. Best thing to do is go in the cash segment, come with an investing mindset, not a trading mindset. Learn how investing happens, and once you've learned that, then you will gradually, naturally progress to the trading part also. Because fundamental parameters ज़्यादा नहीं है. There are only a handful of parameters. Once you apply them, your universe of stock shifts from the 5,000, 6,000 odd to 50 or 30 stocks. In a matter of applying 5 or 6 filters. So then your fundamental analysis is done. Then you will again, if you are still learning in that learning mode, then you will say I want more now. अब मुझे technical analysis करनी है, and that is another topic of discussion altogether.
About this, like, let's move on to this current situation right now, pandemic. So how can one make money in this pandemic? As straight as question, like, just keeping it. Now this question can be for someone who has interest, like who has been doing trading, who has been doing investing for a couple of years now, but he just doesn't know, because this is actually new for most of us, like this situation that we are going through.
Yes, so I had actually commented on a similar thing on LinkedIn a few weeks ago when the market hit the lower circuit. I had told people that please don't walk away, please remain committed and remain invested. And between that time and today, I think it's about a month today, I think it is the end of the 4th week today, I am sitting at close to 40 to 50% return on those investments. So there is money to be made. Money has been made. You have to know हथौड़ा कब मारना है. हथौड़ा तभी मारोगे जब लोहा गर्म है. So I was holding cash. I had not taken a position. I was holding cash. I was waiting, and when the market hit the lower circuit, that's when I entered. So that comes with experience, and that comes with a bit of understanding of, as they say, market की नस पकड़ लेता है आदमी. So वो आपको experience से आता है, और उसके लिए आपको सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. And more than that, I would say, embrace your fear. If you embrace your fear, when you do that, your biggest enemy is out of the window. Once you embrace your fear कि ठीक है, मैं तो यहाँ पे अपनी लर्निंग के लिए आया हूँ और मेरा पैसा बनता रहेगा उसके साथ, that is when money will follow. I would say, whether it is COVID or pandemic or war going on or something going on, or there is an oil war happening or whatever, you should be looking for a learning from that, and that learning will help you make money this way or that way. वो तो बनता ही रहेगा. There is, trust me, there is no. So as I had said earlier, कि एक महीने में who talks about returns in excess of 40-50% in 4 weeks? We are talking
not
about
in normal days.
Exactly. So you should know how much capital to deploy when, so that you get proportionate returns. And market will give you return only on a few days. Most of the days markets take the money away from you. So वो जो एक हफ्ता या मतलब 5-6 दिन एक साल में मिलते हैं पैसा कमाने के लिए, वो आपको सीखना है. That you have to learn on your own. साइकिल चलाना अपने आप ही सीखोगे. कोई पकड़ के सिखा देगा, लेकिन उसके बाद साइकिल लेके कहाँ जाओगे, that is up to you.
On that analogy, we know that things can happen to us, and to take that safety, would you suggest keeping a different source of income that is coming every month and that is sure, and now you are actually okay to actually think about putting that money in a place where you are learning, but there is a chance of actually losing it for temporary time, if I can call it that way.
Yes,
So
that
would
is
you
that.
really suggest to have an income coming in it? So for that safety net is there. So now I can do learning. Now doesn't matter if I lose it in couple of months. I'll gain it back once I learn the the basics. So would you?
Yes,
So if it's
yes.
like for a student who is starting out, let's say he's earning probably 50,000. Like this is the nominal salary in India, right? For a software engineer for a normal from a normal college, 50,000. So like keeping some amount of money with himself every month and putting everything else in the place where he can actually learn. So would you suggest that?
Um, uh, yes, in a way, partially yes, partially no.
Okay.
And the reason being, what you have to understand is that living off the income from the stock market
Mm-hmm.
is not easy for
Mm-hmm.
most of the people. Um, it is difficult because things change when you are trading with your money versus when you're trading with somebody else's money.
Yes.
And when that becomes your own source of livelihood,
Mm-hmm.
that means तुम्हारा मोबाइल बिल, तुम्हारा इंटरनेट बिल, तुम्हारा
Mm-hmm.
खर्चा पानी, तुम्हारा रेंट,
Mm-hmm.
सब कुछ अगर तुम ट्रेडिंग से निकालोगे,
Mm-hmm.
so if you are looking at, I don't know, 25-30,000 rupees per month as an income from trading, you are looking at 12 3s are 36, 3.6 lakhs to be generated per year from trading.
Yes.
For that, and 3.6 lakhs from trading getting generated is not easy for somebody who's starting out.
Mm-hmm.
Because the capital requirements are pretty high for you to generate anything of that volume.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so, for example, if you start with 1 lakh rupees,
Mm-hmm.
95% of us
Mm-hmm.
will be left with 90,000 or 1.1 lakh at the end of the year. Only 5% would have converted at 1 lakh to 1.2 or 1.3 lakhs, or maybe only 1% would have converted at 1 lakh to 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs.
Yes. Yes.
So we have to understand, bhai, we are not in that 1%.
Yes.
At least I am not. So
Okay.
uh, you have to have an alternate source of income
Mm-hmm.
that always feeds your
Mm-hmm.
learnings, if I may call it.
Yes.
And then a time will come. There will be a time that you will know that you are ready to take the big bets. And that time will not, it will not be a gut feeling. It will be the feeling from your brain. Okay, yes, I've been able to predict, and you have to be very careful of not having a confirmation bias come in this.
Yes.
Wherein मेरे prediction वही मैं देख रहा हूँ जो मेरे सही हैं. So that again is a separate thing altogether in itself. Lekin having I would say not an alternate, I would say having the regular source of income is important, and keep the stock market income as the alternate source of income. Wherein आप जो regular stream से आपका जो भी पैसा आ रहा है, that could be your regular day job. But unless आपका वो day job है, आप मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर पाओगे, आपका SIP नहीं जाएगा, आपका ट्रेड नहीं जाएगा, because you are not able to have the disposable income out of your monthly cash flow to learn.
Like before moving on to the last question, I just want to ask for so we got connected on LinkedIn, right? So if someone wants to get in touch with you, have some tips or tricks, like we just started talking randomly, right? And
Yes.
if for someone who wants to have that person in their life to actually get that experience, to be a wise man and learn from others' experience, and if someone wants to get in contact with you, is LinkedIn the right place, or would there be some other places that people get in touch?
I am active on LinkedIn only as a social media platform. I am not on other platforms.
Okay.
So LinkedIn is a place where people can reach out to me. In fact, I am already in touch with a lot of people there. I keep on posting a few updates as and when I get. So I think that is a channel to be connected.
Okay. So this talk that we had in last 40-45 minutes, this was based on tips like for the students for start. And by student, I don't necessarily mean ki 18-20 saal ka. He can be a 30-year-old guy. He can be 60-year-old guy. Depends on the mindset, right? If he's starting out, so this is for that. But for actually students who are into school or colleges or maybe new into the market, what are those tips from your side that one that we have talked about is keep the mindset of learning, not earning. Keep those separate. Right? Any other more tips that of some for someone who can have that from your side, of course.
Anybody who's starting out at that age, I would say keep in mind that आप जो भी गलती करते हो वो गलती आपकी नहीं है वो दोष आपकी उम्र का है वो
Mhm.
दोष तुम्हारा नहीं है तुम्हारी उम्र का दोष है वो all of us go through that
Mhm.
but if you are having the critical ability to analyze yourself analyze uh, your doings it's like right now imagine you are sitting wherever you are sitting imagine right now where you are
Mhm.
and think of a camera at the corner of the room the top left corner of the room
Mhm.
and now see yourself
Mhm.
as the camera is seeing you right now.
Are you being stoic right now? Like this
I'm
is
sorry.
called stoic philosophy, like looking at yourself from a drone perspective.
Something like that. I got exposed to this concept from Stephen Covey's book, The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. बहुत पुरानी किताब है. So, uh, having the ability to critically judge yourself whether I'm doing something good or right or bad is extremely important. एक बार आपने वो कर लिया because uh, what happens is at a very young age is that you are at an impressionable age and
Mhm.
everybody wants to drive a bike, everybody wants to drive a bike without a helmet,
Mhm.
everybody wants to do a wheelie, but then very few people understand the risks associated with it, wherein the risk is not to you, risk to somebody else. तुम खुद तो जाओगे किसी और को भी लेके जाओगे.
Yeah.
So, so you have to understand that, and by this I mean, if somebody has trusted you with 10,000 rupees to go and trade in the market and you blow it up tomorrow, तुम खुद तो गए उसका पैसा भी लेके डूब गए. So uh, be responsible with the money that you have earned or somebody is giving you, and learning will have a cost associated with it, and the cost will be loss of money and time. Be prepared for that. Until unless you are not prepared with those two things,
Mhm.
stay away from the markets.
I feel everybody is doing it anyway, if he or she is in the market or not. Like everybody is spending money, everybody is spending time, one way or another. Why not to do it on your learnings, either in the markets or anywhere else? Like we are all spending money and time somewhere, right? So that's about it. Like, that's a very good perspective. And with that, I just want to conclude this talk because this can go way longer as our talks. So thank you so much, Vishesh.
Yep.
This was really great, and I feel I learned a lot. And of course, we'll be in touch for more talks like this.
Sure, Ishan. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I look forward to more talks like this.